Hey guys, it's Dabs here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm excited to have you join me in this tutorial. So recently, Ostinger made changes to the UI and the UX of their platform just because they want to improve the user experience on the platform apparently. But I believe that this might be conflicting to some of the tutorials I have and some that we have online recently. So I thought to jump on this tutorial to show you a walkthrough experience how you can easily set up a WordPress website or even an Ostinger AI builder website using their new UI and UX platform. So without further ado, let's get started into the tutorials immediately. So as you can see on my screen here is ostinger.com. So I have a link in the video description for you to be able to get to Ostinger. That's an affiliate link. If you buy through my link, I will get a certain commission. I will appreciate if you can support this channel with that. And also in my video description is my coupon code that will give you an amazing 10% discount off. So like I told you, get to the video description to get the link. And if you go through that link, you will see right on your screen here 75% off your hosting and website builder. And you can just easily just click this claim deal button. It will bring you down here where you find access to their premium hosting, their business hosting, and their cloud hosting. Their business hosting, as claimed here, is the most popular, but a premium hosting is always good if you are starting new. So on my laptop here, I can only select this. So what I can do right now is for me to come to this toggle here and switch back to premium. So you can see some little changes that they have now on their website. So I can easily add this to cart. So the next option for you here is for you to choose a duration, a period for your hosting. So as you can see here, you have the option for 48 months, 24 months, 12 months, and then a month. I usually don't even consider going for their monthly plan because it's a rip-off for you to pay 11.99. As you can see here that if you go for 48 months plan, you can pay 2.99 per month and you get 2 months free, and that means that you're paying a 50 months plan. This may have changed when you're watching this video, but one thing that is very constant is that Ostinger reward people who invest more on a long-term basis with them. So you would always notice that your renewal plan at 48 months plan here, as you can see, 7.99 is different for 24 months, which is 8.99, and also for 12 months, which is 9.99. So your best deal most times is for you to invest as long as possible as you can, and then you would enjoy the least amount here. So as you can see, this is 2.99, 2.09 here for 24 months and 3.19 here for 12 months. And also you get the 2 months free, and also you renew at 7.99. So this is the best deal. If you can afford this, I always do recommend this. So if you choose a duration, you can come down here. You need to create an account apparently, so you can see the amount you're supposed to pay. After getting your 75% off, as you can see here, you're supposed to pay $432, but you'll be paying $143. But you can still get a further discount using my coupon code. So if you click this coupon code here, you can put my coupon code says DAPS and then hit the apply button. And then you can see that you now have another further slash down to $129 for you to buy a 50 months plan. Isn't that amazing? You can come up here, select a payment method, a credit card, PayPal, whatever is convenient for you. In my own case here, I will leave a credit card and I can come down here, and other details here are optional. You can put them, your first name, your last name, your country, and all those other things are quite very optional. The only one that is important here is your country. Based on your location, you might have to pay maybe additional taxes, but for my country here, I'm not paying any tax, and that is fine. And then I can come down here, put my name and my card number, and then submit a secured payment. So I'll skip this part and then we'll continue after a secured payment. So after submitting a secured payment, you should see an option for you to set your password. You can also check your email account. You will get emails for you to continue the process of setting up your account. So you would be able to change your password and then set up your hosting. If you click that, you should come here. I'm not able to do that because I'm using one single account and inside this account I have several hosting plans. So I have like 3 4 hosting plans in one single account. I don't have the time to create new account and new account and new account. So that's why I don't have that option here. But in your own case, if it's a new account, you should be able to create a password and then set up your hosting. So that brings you here where you have the option to choose either you want to set up a WordPress website or an Hostinger website builder. For the purpose of this example, we'll stick to the default, which is WordPress. So we'll select WordPress. And the next step is for us to create a login details for our WordPress account. So I have my WordPress admin language here to be English, which is fine, and my administrator email here, which is okay as well. So I would set up a password here. So you have to make sure that you have an encrypted password that include a number, a symbol, a lowercase, uppercase, between 8 to 50 characters and has a Latin letter. So any symbol at all on your computer would be good. If you don't pay attention to these, you'll not be able to pass this step. We are 31% gone, so let's continue by hitting the next button here. Here I will have to close this. You can save your password on your computer. That's totally up to you. Ideally, I love to skip this part, but choosing a WordPress theme is also very important because I think I should show you how you can easily set up a WordPress website. So I would choose Astra for the purpose of this example, and Astra is one of the best WordPress theme out there. Super lightweight theme. You can Google Astra if you have not heard about Astra before, and I will show you how you can easily use this theme to create a free website for yourself. So let's hit the next button. And this is bringing us here where this is giving us the option for us to select the plugins we want and then leave the ones we don't want. But we'll just keep this entirely. This is just making the process long and boring. So the next thing for us to do here is to set up a WordPress name. I will just say dabs. As you can see, dapstools.com is available and this is free for the first year. So if you invest in Hostinger, you'll get this domain free for the first year. And that's good for us. So let's select this and then let's come to the next. So this is where we need to finish the domain registration for appstools.com. Like I told you, I already have my details filled in here, so I won't need to fill this again. I just need to confirm the same details. In your own case, if it's a new account, you will need to fill your details, your name, your email, your phone number, your address, your country, and all those things to finish the domain registration. But I will just finish this up altogether. So now our domain is registering. Where is your website target audience? So here you need to choose a server location, and the best server location is the one that is closest to where your target audience are, not necessarily where you are. So if you're in the Europe and you want to create a website that you want to sell to people in the United States, you want to choose a server location in the United States. So you can click this drop down for you to select what server location is best for you, but this is okay for this tutorial, so I'll go to next. And WordPress is installing and this will take some few seconds, so let's just give this some time to finish up. Welcome to your Hostinger Edge panel. You have successfully set up your WordPress website. Isn't this amazing? So what we can do here is you can rate your experience, but I won't be doing that right now. I want to close this. What I want to do here before I go to my website usually is to come to security first, and then let me come to my SSL. I need to confirm that that has been installed successfully. Sometimes it might not. So as you can see here in my case here, it's still installing. So I want to make sure that this has been installed successfully before I try to access my website. So after refreshing, you can see that I have these already installed and active, and that's fine. And then we can come back to our dashboard. So here we can just easily go to admin panel here. Click this. This should give us a secure access to our WordPress dashboard. Fantastic. So WordPress setup, WordPress ready. So you can come up here and visit site in the new tab for us to see exactly what our website look like currently. So you can see our WordPress website is set up. Astra theme has been installed. So let's come back here. Let me show you before I round up this tutorial how you can easily set up Astra for you to have a fantastic WordPress website. So right now here, I can just first of all come to my plugins, come to install plugins. Hosting has been installed here. I would like to deactivate this plugin. I personally don't like using it. You can leave it. But the second one, which is the Lightspeed Cache plugin, is a very good plugin that I would always recommend you leave for you to cache your WordPress website. This will give you significant speed. As you can see from this banner here, Astra is saying that we should install ready-made templates. So let's install this and also activate this as well. So for all to onboard using Astra, we have two options right now. Astra is now launching an AI website builder for WordPress, which is called ZipWP. I would have other tutorials covering that. For the purpose of this example, let's stick to their classic starter template. So let's build with their template. And here you have to choose your preferred page builder. If you've been following my channel, you know that I love to do Elementor. For the purpose of this example, I will stick with Elementor, and then you have a ton of template that you can install on your website. However, some of these are premium, so they have this premium badge on them. They are fantastic premium themes template here that you can choose. So you can come down here and you can filter down to whatever type of website you want to create. You would or you should find a template here that would suit your purpose. If it's a premium badge, I would encourage that you invest in Astra Pro. I have a link to Astra Pro in the video description. Beyond getting access to their premium template, you also have access to some further customization, premium customization when you are trying to use Astra. That's very key. So I would just install any random template here for the purpose of this example. Let me just stick with this. Let's just install this. So if you click this, you will have option here to start customizing your theme. So as you can see here, we have the preview here ready, so you can scroll down for you to see how this website look like. If you want more or you don't like this, you can also toggle these for you to see exactly the full screen of what you are about to install. So if you don't like this theme for your website, you can change this apparently. But this is just good enough for tutorial purpose. So you can upload your logo here, you can upload a file here for your logo, and continue the customization here. You should see that change here on the live website, but I don't like doing that here. I can just keep and continue. You can also change the color palette of the website. You can choose any other colors that you like. So you can see the button is reflecting here. I can go green, I can go purple, whatever is okay by you. I can just stick with the default color, which is okay. I can also change the front here of the website. I will just leave this as is, and then you can just continue here. You can tell Astra a little more about you. Possibly that will help them recommend products for you, but I will skip that. I will submit and build my website. Congratulations, our website is ready, and this took 27 seconds to build according to Astra. So let's come back to our home page now and let's do a refresh. Let's see what we have. Isn't these amazing? So we have this beautiful website ready for us to use. How super simple and easy it is. Very clean, super simple, beautiful website. This is what you get when you're using Astra. And then you can easily edit this website with Elementor. So you can click this here, edit with Elementor for you to make changes to your website. So that's outside of the scope of this tutorial. You can follow my channel more in case you want to learn more about Elementor, about Astra, how you can customize things and make things work. So this is exactly how to set up Hostinger and Astra in just some few seconds. So if this video has been super useful to you, give me a thumbs up. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel for you to see further tutorials from me touching on Hostinger and also Astra. Now you can make the best of these two platforms to set up a WordPress website of your dream. That's my time for this tutorial. I will see you in another one. Take care and have a nice time.